This isn't just breakfast, it's a flavor explosion waiting to happen. Today I'm making two absolute bangers, crispy sweet potato fries and juicy onion egg roll that'll steal your heart and appetite. It all begins in the earth, harvesting sweet potatoes, fresh from the farm, still kissed by the soil and sunshine. Bring them home where the magic begins. Wash them clean, peel away the skin to reveal the sweet treasure. Then slice, thin and round just like in the video. Drop them gently into hot vegetable oil. Did you know sweet potatoes are packed with nutrients like vitamins A, C, and B6, fiber, potassium, and antioxidants? One serving, a powerhouse. Hear the sizzle? That's flavor being born. Eating sweet potatoes boosts your immune system with a solid hit of vitamin C and A, helping your body fight infections and stay strong. The complex carbs in sweet potatoes release slowly, giving you a long-lasting fuel without the crash. Also, sweet potatoes have low glycemic index, which helps to stabilize your blood sugar. Finally, the fiber and antioxidants in sweet potatoes support digestion and feed the good bacteria in your belly. So whether you mash, roast, or bake them, sweet potatoes aren't just tasty, they are a nutritional MVP. Stir now and then, like turning pages in a good book until they're perfectly cooked. Crisp edges, tender hearts. These are served hot. Sweet potatoes are super versatile and pair well with a lot of flavors. You can have sweet potatoes with dips and sauces, or with loaded toppings, or as a side with burgers or grilled steak. But today, we will have it as the famous breakfast style, with fried egg roll on the side. Set this aside and let's make the famous onion egg roll. So simple, so sneaky, and so stupidly good. Chop one onion and toss them in a pan. Saute till golden brown and set aside. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to your pan, then pour in an egg. Flip the egg and cook it on both sides. Then add the caramelized onions. And now the roll begins. Roll it up. Add 1 more egg. Roll again. Oil, egg, roll. Repeat until the desired thickness. Eggs are not just a breakfast classics. They are packed with benefits that make them a must in any diet. They help in weight management due to their high protein content, reducing calorie intake. Eggs are a good source of choline, which is important for brain development and function. They contain vitamins and minerals which contribute to a healthy skin, nails, and hair. They also contain all 9 essential amino acids which are needed for muscle repair and overall growth. Lastly, eggs contain antioxidants that protect eyes from strain and aging. So, do not underestimate the humble egg. It is cheap, easy, and so good for you. For this recipe, I used 3 eggs to make 1 egg roll. Don't get tired of rolling. Keep adding eggs until your desired size. Once the roll is ready, I will chop it into thin slices just like in the video. If you're vibing with the flavors and feeling the fire in the kitchen, why not stick around for more? Hit that subscribe button like it's your favorite seasoning. This here isn't just food. It's comfort, it's culture, it's flavor. Behold, sweet potato fries with onion egg roll. Enjoy.